Dude, what is that? Alright dudes, we're at this huge cave. It's got clouds coming out of it. We're gonna go in. It's got a waterfall in it. Let's go check it out. This place is huge.
This would have been cool in the wrap around back in the day.
Yeah.
Going from one entrance to come out the other.
Heck yeah.
That's the goal today, GoPro. There's a rope running up at a different entrance. We gotta find it. So this is like a scavenger hunt.
Yeah. Yeah, they went ahead.
I walked back here like 10 minutes ago. Damn. Probably a waterfall.
Probably went the wrong way.
This is like a complete recreation of last weekend.
Yeah. Are they up ahead?
That might be Ryan.
Yeah, there he is. This is a huge room.
Holy, what the heck?
Holy crap.
Oh my god. Is this the rope?
That is huge.
I know. Oh, look, there is the rope that goes up.
Okay, so it cuts back that way, goes that way, and that way.
We're going under. We popped out from under there.
Hey, there's
when we went
another
up that
under
rope
over here
last
too.
time.
Okay, so that goes down.
It's confusing, but once you go up that rope, there's two ways you can go. One of them leads you down. Actually, there's only one way. If you don't go up the rope that we plan to go up, it spits you out right there.
Okay.
It's
What about that
huge
way?
Circle. That's the waterfall.
Well, hang on. I don't need my harness or anything for anything over here, right?
No. We don't know.
Okay.
We're trying to get down to the lower levels.
Because I can just drop my bag right here then.
I don't really know where
Because this one only has harnesses in it.
Maybe we gotta drop down to the breakdown pile.
Down right here.
Is there something about we gotta go down? We checked that out on the way back.
I hear a waterfall and see a big one.
Yeah.
Holy crap. Dude, that is huge.
That's a black void, man. Wow.
That's my turbo.
Big cave.
This is huge.
This guy over here got the light. He's gonna turn it on. We can see it. Yeah. I might build a bunker over here.
That is huge, dude. Oh my god.
There's air is coming over there too.
Yeah.
See if I can go around this lead wall and go over there. Just where are we?
Heck yeah. It's like the stream bed down there. This is huge. Ryan for scale. It's awesome. It's a deep pit to fall into. Dude.
There's a whole other waterfall right here. They get real people there.
Oh, dude, that waterfall out there too. Oh, there's three. What the heck? Dude. waterfall. Holy crap. That is awesome. We gotta find a way down. Woo!
Not the fast. You just started yours, huh?
Yeah, I got that.
You literally clicked the button and fell.
Yeah. Alright, so we're at the bottom of that big room now. That's the way to go. But it's this way to the bottom of the waterfall. Yeah, I see the light up there. That's the only way down. That's on the bottom. Whew. We got that way to go too. Holy crap. Dude, that is an awesome waterfall. Yes, sir. Yeah, we have so many ways to go.
So many ways.
Checking out this way. Dude. Some big sandbanks. It wraps around.
Got a little beach right here. You ready to bring the umbrella?
Edward brought the sun.
Going further than the other side.
Oh, it was an illusion. I thought it was going to drop back down. We're in sand.
Back out to the waterfall. Oh, you think we can climb up? Yeah, that'd be nice. That would be so cool.
There's a way down right here.
Yeah, I think feet first right here, you can go in there.
Yeah?
Yeah, I do believe you can make that one, bro. Even with the helmet on, but it'll be.
That pinches off right there. Like right around the corner, it gets too small.
He's in there. I look to make sure I got Alex stopped. Hi, man.
Yeah. It's what?
Dead end.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I was trying to stop you before you got in that hole.
I was literally finishing a rock car and I was about to dive in. Alright. Oh, they're up above still.
You been down there?
We still got this way to go.
It's pretty gnarly call.
Alright, we're looking for Ryan.
Scavenger hunt. He's gonna jump out of this, dude.
He hasn't gone up there.
Did we come into this crack right here?
Maybe.
I mean, there's definitely a way. I can't remember if we came into
Oh, heck yeah. Dude, holy crap, yeah.
There's a lot of air blowing.
We're back in the big room?
No, the big. Yeah.
No, we're back in the main cavern, yeah.
This is the one with the ceiling with like clouds.
Yeah. Okay.
Think we should wait on the other guys?
Yeah. Alright, so we're going back to the rope now. We're gonna go climb up it. Check out those pits. Alright, so we're back at the rope. Got Jacob up top already. Heading up. Alright. At the top. Oh dude, I hear water back there.
Yeah, right? It's super low. Whoa, dude!
Whoa.
So yeah, like I was sitting right here. A little everything. See this? I was sitting right here. Look at it, all that crack,
Dude, I wonder how loud that
breaking
rock
with me.
was when
I
it
gotta
fell from
quit.
the ceiling. That is such a big boulder.
That is a very large chunk of ceiling. You can tell, I mean, it used to be sideways up on top.
Wow, you're right.
Like right there where you're shining.
Yeah, I can see that. Oh, you know what? I think that leads over here.
It don't look like it goes very far.
Hey, there's a
at all.
rope.
If I remember correctly,
That looks cool. Oh, this is a neat wall.
Dude, holy crap, that's awesome. Dude, it's like, you see the different color layers through here. Like the red formations. Dude, this looks sick through here.
Yeah. PJ's through here.
Dude, these formations right here. It's all the mineral and the water is coming through this area. That's awesome. Holy crap. Are Edward and them that far ahead?
They went in this way.
Oh.
And it went back way.
Huh. Let's go in the crack. Check it out.
The trusty old rover. Love it like so much.
It's wild. This crevice. Pretty high ceiling. Where's he at?
He went back into the hole. He said he's gonna go about 15 minutes and push it to see where it goes.
Okay.
He said he's massive amounts of air blowing.
I might climb up that rope.
Are you gonna climb up?
I might. I'm gonna see what the rock is like.
Hoops.
Huh?
I said hoops.
Yeah.
That would jam.
Good back massage. Did you catch up, Ryan?
Oh yeah.
Oh, hey. You're staying out of the water. Ryan's back there flying around.
I got wet yet, but it's
Rock right on my throat. Sweet. 4 o'clock. Yeah, it's not bad time. Old formation. That's pretty. Lots of formations. Whoa! There's a whole like dome right here. Holy crap. Whoa, dude. Ryan, you gotta come check this out.
oh wow.
There's another rope right here too.
Looks a lot like what's to the right of you, but better.
Oh wow.
Impressive.
It's
Yeah.
pretty crazy. It's like one little spot over there. Beauty. You look out the other side over there?
Oh yeah, okay. I see that rope, yeah.
Yeah. Now I'm into your right.
bunch of formations.
But you're just looking off into the
Whoa. Dude, there's a crazy looking straw up here.
YouTube video.
Holy crap. This is a squeeze. That looks insane. Wow. Oh, it's still going.
Is it going somewhere over there?
Kinda. Oops. Oops. That looks gnarly. It's getting muddy. It's just still going. Holy crap. Dude, that's such a deep drop. That's just out of nowhere. There's a lower passage though. Huh. Just really careful. It's a big drop. Kinda. No, yeah, it still is. It's so deep. I heard flowing water. Hey! Hey! Up high? High. Up. Okay. Fun crawl.
Yeah. I want to stand up.
You can stand right
On
here.
the wall.
You can stand right here.
I can stand right here over this giant pit.
Yep. That's what I'm about to do.
No, it's so much better. They should have duck right over that one.
Dude, it's like, it drops down a lot more. There's like a whole other creek bed down there, and I see the water flowing through, and it's probably, I don't even know, man, like 40, 50 feet down.
There's a up and left, and this definitely continues that way for a long way.
Yeah. Water dripping down, like in these formations. That's a drop. That's okay. My previous estimate of how far down that goes was very wrong. That's more so like 80, at least. Good Lord.
Where is it? Where is
Dude, we're standing.
No way.
Yup. Whoa, there's some like old buried formations. Holy crap, dude, it's a dome.
I feel like you're on the other side of the tunnel. That's what I just did.
Oh, hey. Yeah, dude, there's some pretty formations over here. It's still going.
I gotta climb down. Give me a second.
All right.
Gnarly climbing.
I'm gonna look at this waterfall right here. Holy crap. That's deep. Not very deep though. Holy crap, dude. Dude, you gotta come over here and look at this.
What?
The whole passage just turned white.
I don't know, did you,
It's like snow everywhere.
did you go high or low?
Huh, whole way.
High the whole way. Open that.
It says out right here.
Where?
Arrow, the circle.
Pointed down here?
Yeah.
No way.
What's that looking like?
Uh,
What? What?
we're back into what we were and it just keeps going.
Really?
Yeah.
What the heck?
We'll keep going.
Okay, it was an illusion.
I see back on.
This gets worse. This gets way worse. Alright, well, let's begin the long journey back to the rope.
Dude.
Oh boy. Alright, so we're here, everybody. Which means we're back.
Hey!
Hey! Alright, we got Ryan going down now. Alright, so we just got out of that crack. Now we're heading down this tunnel.
Really feel like float everybody down.
The mythical pit is real? That's, yeah. That's deep. So we just got geared up and apparently I'm getting sent down this pit now, so I'm about to grab the gloves, head on down.
If the rope's gonna break on anybody, it's gonna be you.
Absolutely, I weigh the most here, you know. Oh, that's a lot deeper than I thought it was. Yeah, it'll be fine.
Pretty good, right?
Yeah. All right.
Send it.
You're gonna want to put it where I'm putting it too, by the way.
Can do.
It's right there. Whoops.
You know the wall is loose.
Yeah. Okay, it goes that way. It ends right here where I'm at.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, it's going this way. All right, off rope. All right, so we're heading back to that red rope now. Go climb up it and see where it goes. All right, we're at the red rope. Getting on this thing. Oh. Okay. All right, rope.
Going quick when somebody's holding the rope, you know?
Yeah. Ooh.
Yeah, it opens up, doesn't it?
Keeps going that way too.
So the rope continues up. It keeps going.
You can get off right here. Maybe.
Off-road. I believe it. Now that you're on a actual rappel harness.
Alright, off rope. This is extremely narrow. Extremely narrow crawl. Squeeze.
That's narrow, isn't it?
Dude, it is a squeeze. Alright, so we're going down this now. Ryan coming in.
Now I wish I didn't have gear on.
Yeah, I just took off some of mine.
How?
There's a little area in here, you'll see. Okay, sweet.
Alright. Now I can move again.
Dude. I can stand, but it gets a little rough right here, and by a little I mean very.
Well, I had to take my bag off. Oh, a lot bigger room too.
Wait, the free climb rope? No. Yeah. Dude, I did. It was the worst decision I've ever made in my life.
Dude, this is a gnarly little squeeze.
I ain't got good word.
Oh boy.
There's a giant room right here.
Oh. He said something about room, man. That's what we want.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's all you got.
let's go.
Look up. You guys found a room?
Holy crap. It's
It's a giant room.
yeah, it's very, very tall.
Whoa!
Yeah.
But it don't go nowhere.
What the heck?
It goes nowhere.
No.
It goes nowhere.
This is the room that goes nowhere?
This is it, man.
Yeah.
Hey, it's a no-go!
Dude, what is that? Those are
It's
bones.
a no-go! That is bones.
That is bones. Vertebrae right there.
Yeah, it is.
Dude,
Did you
there's
see
like a
the
skeleton
debris
back
in the
here.
other pit?
No, I didn't see that. That's
Yeah,
what
there's
we're
a
trying to
skeleton
figure
down
out.
there.
Dude, it probably fell from the ceiling over here.
Yeah? Yeah, there's nowhere to go. Alright, back to this.
Yeah, buddy. That's the coolest thing I've ever seen.
Check it, I missed all the action.
Boom.
Nice.
Allison is nice.
Nice, bro.
Alright. Alright, we're back in the main room. Gonna head on out. Alright, dudes. We are back outside. We got Jacob, Mineral Dude, Ryan, Underground Adventures. We got Edward and James behind us. They're coming behind. Action Adventure Twins. Check them out. See you on the next one.